Hello kids, welcome back. So now today our topic is factors. What are factors? Numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. Example, suppose I have 2 into 4, I get 8. So how did I get 8? When I multiplied these two numbers. So these two numbers 2 and 4 are what? Factors for 8. Again, like I have 9 into 2, it is 18. So 9 and 2 are factors of 18. Factor into factor when we multiply two numbers and we get a product. So these two numbers are the factors of that particular number. Let's have a look at another perspective of factors. A factor of a number is any number that divides exactly into that number. In other ways, let us solve a question to understand this. Is 12 a factor of 24? So how can we know whether 12 is a factor of 24 or not? Let us see. So for this, we will divide 24 by 12. And now I know 24 comes in 12's table when 12 is multiplied by 2, right? So 12 into 2 is 24. So 24, it is divided completely, leaving the remainder as 0. Here we have remainder 0. So yes, 12 is a factor of 24. This is what this definition means, that when number is any factor that divides exactly into that number, and this is dividing exactly into this number. Let us take one. Is 7 a factor of 24? Let us see. So for this, we are dividing 24 by 7. And now when I start dividing, I realize that 24 doesn't come in 7 table, but I do have 21. So here I am left with remainder 3. So 7 is not a factor of 24 since it does not divide it completely. Now let us see how, making arrays, we can find factors for these two numbers. Arrays is basically arrangement of numbers so that we can find factors of a particular number. Here I am going to use some rajma seeds to make arrangements for 6. Let us find the factors for 6. Here I have arranged beets. Since I have 6, so I will put 6 rajma seeds in one row. So here I have 6 rajma seeds in one row. So it means 1 into 6 is 6. Okay, let me arrange in another form where I have 3 rows and 2 columns. Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. So here I have arranged my 6. Since I have 6 numbers, so 6 rajma seeds, I have arranged it in this manner. So here I have 3 rows, 2 columns, and it is 6. Now in a different manner, basically in arrays we are arranging the seeds so that we have equal number of rows and occupied completely with the rajma seeds in the column also. No one is left alone. So now here I can arrange the seeds like this. So it is 2 rows and 3 columns equals to 6. So is there any other way that I can arrange my Rajma seeds to get the factor for 6? No. So I will write the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6 that I have got? These are the factors. By multiplying the two numbers, I have got this number. So I have the smallest factor. 1 is the factor of every number. So 1, then I have 2, then I have 3. And here if you see, I have 6 also. So whatever the number we have to find the factors, the number itself is also the factor. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors for number 6. Let us see for 12. Now I have arranged for 12 over here. So it is 1 row into 12. This is 6 into 2, it's 12. And here it is 4 into 3 is 12. So we don't have to now make 3 rows and 4 columns. It is but understood. So here factors are 1. 1 is the factor of every number and it is the smallest factor of every number. Then we have 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The number itself is the highest factor. Now moving forward, let us see how we can find factors. There are basically 2 methods with which we can find factors. One is through multiplication, other is through division. So let us find the factors of 36 through multiplication. So in multiplication, as already told, 1 is the factor of every number and 1 into 36 is 36. And since it is an even number, so 2 into 18 is 36. Then 3 into 12 is 36. Then 4 into 9 is 36. And please remember, while we are finding the factors, I am going sequence wise. Like first 1, then I am thinking whether this comes in 2's table or not. Then 3, then 4. In this manner, I will not leave any of the factor in between. Now 5, no, 36 doesn't comes in 5's table. 6, yes. 6 into 6, 36. Now please remember kids, whenever while finding factors through multiplication, whenever you arrive at the factors which are equal, which are same, like here 6 6 are 36. So here we need to stop and write all these factors, because ahead of 6 it will be like 9 4s are, 12 3s are, so the factors will be repeating and it will not make any difference and you will waste your time. So whenever you have factors, the same factors, so you need to stop right there and write your final answer. So my factors are, I will go sequence wise so that I don't leave any factor in between. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So here I have taken the same number so that you can understand better what is the basic difference. Obviously there is a difference since it is multiplication, it is division. Let us understand this method. Here now through division we have to see, as explained in the definition part of factors, how do we get to know a number is a factor through division? When we get the remainder as 0. So let us start. So 36 is our dividend and 1 is the factor of every number. So 36 divided by 1 is 36. So now 36, since it is an even number, so it will definitely get divided by 2, right? Now 36, I know that it comes in 3's table, 3 and 6. So it will divide exactly to this number. And 36 comes in 4's table also. Please, for divisors here also I am going sequence wise. I am not taking 6 before 4, right? Or 6 first and then I am thinking about 2. Let's go sequence wise. This way we will not miss out any factor of ours. So 4 is 9. Then 36 divided by, after 4 5 comes. No, 5 will not be divided completely. 6 will. And now here I can see my factors are repeated. So I will stop my search right here and write down my factors. Now for you need to find out the factors for 16 through multiplication and 12 through division and check whether your answer is correct or not. So check your answers whether you got the same factors as I have. Here also if you will look, I have 12 divided by 3 4 and then 12 divided by 4 3. Now here the factors have repeated. It is 3 and 4, 4 and 3. So I will stop my search right here and write down my factors. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So this was it for factors. In the next class, we will learn about multiples.